I'm Matt Hagemeyer, Application Engineer at Dow Corning, and I'm here at Materials Sciences Corporation to share a quiet word with you about NVH.
I'm Eric Denis, the VP of Sales and Marketing and Technology at Materials Sciences Corporation, and I'm here to share with you my take on NVH issues and solutions.
Eric, with your years of experience in NVH, how would you define NVH?
Well, NVH is really noise, vibration, and harshness. So the noise is really the acoustics, the vibration is the feel, and the harshness is really about sound quality. It's how people perceive the sound.
At Dow Corning, we approach noise reduction in 3 different ways. Through the optimization of damping, isolating parts from one another, or adhering parts together. At MSC, how would you guys approach noise reduction?
If it's a braking system, we're trying to optimize the product for isolation, frictional damping, and also material damping. Now, if we work on the car, we look at the concept of source, path, receiver. So we can either reduce the noise at the source, the engine, we can block the sound from coming inside the cab, or we can damp or absorb the noise when it's going inside the cab. So it's different approaches.
When a customer comes to us with an NVH problem at Dow Corning, a lot of the times we're going to take that application down to its fundamental levels and really understand that interaction that's happening between those 2 parts. A lot of times we're going to measure things like the difference between static and dynamic friction, along with using some of our global capabilities to understand the actual noise being produced or some of the vibrations that are happening. Eric, at MSC, what kind of techniques are you going to be using to measure NVH?
Well, it all depends on the final application. Like for a brake shim, we design the stack up of the product, the amount of isolation we need, the frictional damping and the material damping to basically reach the customer requirements. So this involves doing testing on the dynos and finalizing the solution on the chassis dyno. For quiet steel or for body panel applications, we do a lot of computer simulation and work in the quiet rooms.
Where Dow Corning likes to help is with some of our specialty lubricants from Molykote, specifically some of our anti-friction coatings, greases, pastes, and solids. We really think we're well equipped to solve some of those noise problems. So at Dow Corning, we've been hearing customers have some very big problems with reducing NVH, particularly when engines are getting smaller in vehicles and masking less noise, and everyone wants to drive a quiet vehicle. These are some of the trends that we are seeing in the NVH world. Eric, what kind of trends has MSC been seeing?
Well, I think vehicles are becoming quieter and quieter. Right now, for braking system, it's basically zero noise, no noise we have to achieve. So it's a very big challenge.
So we're really trying to minimize the amount of impact or change to the person experiencing the NVH problem.
I agree, and our goal is to meet the customer requirements with minimum change. And we think MSC is the right partner to achieve that.
We found it amazing how we can actually recommend a specialty lubricant or a chemical that goes between 2 parts experiencing noise, and how the customer has been able to optimize their design without making any major changes to their tooling. We feel that our Molykote lubricants are really proven NVH solutions that have been used in many harsh conditions, and we really look forward to solving those problems for our customers.